In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly switch between tab in Safari on iPhone. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you're in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So let's show you from beginning. So open Safari from iPhone, and as you can see, I already opened OnePlus website homepage. And for quickly switching between tab, just tap on tab icon here, and here showing 6 of tab I already opening and showing the number here. So for switching between tab, just tap on here like that, and just open another tab here and another open Apple homepage. So and now I can open DJI website here, so that way you can quickly switch between tab on in Safari on iPad or iPhone. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.